Since humanity first looked up at the sky, the moon has been a source of fascination and mystery. We bet one or the other in a group is a selenophile. But what if its barren landscapes hide secrets beyond our wildest imaginations? After the Apollo missions, the moon has been at the center of numerous theories, suggesting that what we know about it might just be the tip of the iceberg. That's the curiosity that brought us to today's video, where we will explore the riveting world of moon-based conspiracies right in the face of the cold, dark expanse of space. But before we dive into today's video, take a moment to click that like button and subscribe to our channel. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on our upcoming videos. Discovery of lunar anomalies. In the late 1960s and early 1970s, NASA's Apollo missions sent humans to the moon and marked a golden age in space exploration. But beyond the well-documented journeys and moonwalks, some believe that there are secrets that have been deliberately kept from the public. Ken Johnston, a former NASA test pilot and manager at Johnson Space Center's photo department, claims that astronauts brought back photos showing mysterious structures, including dome-shaped objects resembling bases embedded within lunar craters. And Johnston was not alone in his findings. Other NASA employees also reported sightings of tracks and odd geometric shapes that suggested something more than natural lunar formations. The theories of ancient astronauts. These findings breathe life into the theories of the Anunnaki, an ancient interstellar civilization some believe could have visited the moon long before humanity ever did. According to Sumerian texts, these beings used the moon as a waypoint, which aligns weirdly with the structures Johnston and others have cited. Conspiracy theorists often link the moon's mysteries to ancient astronaut theories, which propose that extraterrestrials have influenced human history. Moreover, astrophotographer Andrew McCarthy examined these allegations by looking at the structures. He pointed out that, while they appear artificial at first glance, such formations could also be natural, resulting from meteoritic impacts creating central peaks within craters, a common lunar phenomenon. However, the tracks are harder to explain. Jonathan Hill, a Mars mission planner, also reviewed the alleged vehicle tracks on the moon. He suggested that while boulders rolling on the lunar surface could leave tracks, the specific parallel tracks in question could more likely be attributed to Soviet lunokhod rovers rather than alien activity. The cover-up. The most chilling aspect of Johnston's claim is the alleged cover-up. He asserts that upon inquiring about the mysterious images, he was ordered to destroy them, a command he chose to fight. This has led conspiracy theorists to speculate about the lengths organizations like NASA would go to suppress information, potentially altering public perceptions of space and our place within it. Scientific skepticism and public fascination. Despite the intrigue of Johnston's claims and their implications, the broader scientific community remains uncertain. Geologists and astronomers point out that the lunar surface is well mapped and studied, and what some interpret as anomalies are, more likely than not, natural features or misinterpretations of data. Experts explain that lunar domes or mounds can be formed by geological processes like volcanic activity or by impacts that create features known as impact melt breccia, often found at the center of impact craters and can be mistaken for unnatural structures. Yet the public's fascination with these mysteries continues to grow, fueled by discoveries and the enduring allure of the unknown. The recent confirmation of water molecules on the sunlit surfaces of the moon only adds layers to the existing mysteries. Ingo Swann. Ingo Swann, a key figure in the realm of psychic research, believed he could see distant locations through a process called remote viewing. His most controversial claim involved viewing structures on the dark side of the moon, which he suggested were not made by humans, but by alien beings. These claims gained a bit of traction when the CIA's Stargate project documents were released, confirming Swann's participation in government-sponsored psychic research. According to Swann's claims, during one of his remote viewing sessions, he saw detailed and organized structures that resembled architectural works, which he believed could not have formed naturally. These included domes, towers, and even machinery that seemed to be operational, suggesting a continuous alien presence. Skeptical and scientific views. While Swann's assertions are intriguing, they are met with significant skepticism. Scientific research. Numerous lunar missions have provided a wealth of data about the moon. Despite extensive studies, No concrete evidence supporting the existence of artificial structures or alien bases has surfaced, natural lunar formations. Many scientists argue that the supposed structures identified by conspiracy theorists are more likely natural formations. Features on the moon's surface can create deceptive shadows and shapes, particularly when viewed from certain angles. Lack of empirical evidence. The main critique of moon-based theories is the absence of empirical evidence. Remote viewing, by its nature, does not provide physical proof, and Swan's descriptions remain unscientific without verifiable backing. While fascinating, moon-based conspiracies often lack credible evidence and do not hold up against scientific scrutiny. The moon continues to be a subject of study, not just for its geological features, but also for its potential for future human colonization. As we plan further missions, like NASA's Artemis program, more will be discovered, likely demystifying many of the conspiracies. Join us as we keep questioning, exploring, and chasing the unknown. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get insights on issues that matter.